Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install themes on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And this is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to install themes on Bluehost. So simply, we can click on my sites here, so you can find all the sites that you have. If you have some sites, that will be cool, but if you don't, you can click at add site, then create a new site, or you can migrate it from another website if you want. And of course, once you have your site, make sure to click on manage sites, then you'll find this overview section. Click on manage on the theme sections, and then as you can see here, you'll find all the themes that you have in your site already. If that is not enough and you would like to install new ones, you can scroll down until you find this Pros Premium themes. You can click on it, and as you can see, that will take you to the marketplace WordPress themes, and here you'll find all the themes that you want. You can buy whatever you want. Of course, you can even select like specific themes that you want, and then just simply go and buy them, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.